AJ Raval affirmed that she is confident her boyfriend Archer Abrenica will not cheat on her, and if ever he does, she said she will only have herself to blame.
Kanina,
Oh,
kanina.
Baka bumalik kay ano.
kanino?
Raval then asserted that she is certain Abrenica will not cheat on her. She said, "But now I'm confident that he won't do that to me because our dynamics are good now." They shared that building their own family is part of their plan as a couple, but emphasized that their priority right now is their careers. And the actor stole sons from his first marriage with actress Kylie Padilla.